will work on dynamic pages. Create the next file, index2.js, index2.html, not js, index2.html. So in index2.html file, you can again HTML head, then link rel equal to splice it, ref equal to style.css, follow the body tag, follow the UL tag, li tag, ahref as user, city, product, user, city, product, something. Okay. New user, this is user list. Both you can keep one after other. First new user, then user list. Now we need to go to that CSS file. We have to create one file, style.css. Create a file here, style.css. First make HTML ready. Section tag we can give. ID equal to container. and by default no data. Okay, so hope ready. Come to the style.css file. Write for body tag, margin 0 px. For container, width 80%, margin auto. From top, you can give 30 pixel, 40 pixels on that. Left, right auto. Bottom also give 40 pixel. Then for UL, again margin 0 px. For UL background, black color. Display the grid. Display grid we written. Column is not required here. Come to the li, UL of li. Okay, so from here grid you remove. This give you a display line. Inline block event with padding of 18 px. UL li a tag. Color is white. Text decoration none. Font weight bold. (22 px). Navigation will appear. Complete the CSS part. Run the index2 file through live server. Okay, so it's become big font size. Padding is also more. We have to reduce little. Okay, in UL padding is not there. Here 18 pixel is there. Control 0. Okay, so something like this. Navigation. Coming. CSS. Right here. ULLI colon hover. Background. Any color. Brown color. Cursor colon pointer. Check now on mouse move. Color is getting changed. Okay, so CSS related work is done. We'll go to the next call, JavaScript file. So in this file, let me check. Yeah, you have created CSS file. Compare that line. CSS file should be in the same folder. Same or different? Internet is nothing. CSS, right? Go to folder one. It has to be there in the beginning. The phone has winner. More of the last. You have the file there, style.css, modify in that. Left side you have a style.css, you will modify in that. Okay, now let's go here, open the script and close the script. Write inside a function for get user. Function get user. Okay, now come down. On click of a tag. Call the function get user. See then alert is coming or not. Right? New user. Okay. So we should call this on user list click. User list click should call here. On click here, right call get city. Right here function called get product. Get user, get city, get product. And how functions are written. Now these functions we can write in JavaScript, but data again we have to bring. So where you will get the data, right? For that we have to set up our own server. Okay, there we will store the data and you can fetch and display here. So come in the same folder, create a file. First we have to install the JSON, then we can. So go to the terminal, or don't do from here. Already your CMD is open in the same folder, API folder. API folder only. Right first, internet is required. You can connect system with the internet first. npm install -j npm install -j JSON-server npm install -j JSON-server. npm install -j. I'll write here somewhere else. This command you will run. Visible. npm install -j JSON-server. npm, not package manager. npm install -j JSON-server. Completed installation or going on? Completed. You can make a note somewhere how to install the JSON server, and this line you can write. You can write a note somewhere and then you can write it. How to install the JSON server? npm install -j JSON-server. Okay, completed. Now create the next file, data.json. Create a file here, data.json. Data.json file create. In that, curly bracket open close. Curly bracket open close. And how many type of data you have here? User, city, and product. First create user only. User list. One array. City list. Another array. Product list. Another array. Okay, three arrays ready. User, city, and then product. Go to the user part. ID will be there. One. Name will be there. And ID as a 2. ID 3. name, now come to the city list. Similar way, we need to add some data. ID 1, city name, okay, so we cannot write directly. It should be within the curly bracket. ID 2, city name, okay, come down, 3, add some city name, and it should not be comma in the last. The data is added. Now come to the last one, product. In product also add some data. ID 1, name, apple, price 300. Product ID 2, ₹100. Product ID 3, okay, so data is ready. Now we need to start the JSON server. So how to start it? Data is filled. Let me know if you have filled the data in file data.json. Then we can go next. Now how to start the JSON server? Let me send you this file. Data.json file I have sent in your chat. You can use that file. Then come to the CMD again and write here how to start the JSON server. Write JSON-server in CMD. JSON-server space -- watch space -- watch space data.json space -- port space 1 2 3 4 port number. I'll keep this line in the text file also. Here. Visible. Write this in your CMD. Contain problems. Server started. Take something like this. It is saying total 4 URL, user list, city list, and product list. Come to browser and open the localhost :1234 localhost :1234. It will show your server which is running. This server is installed and this is running now. Okay, rotate localhost :1234. This page is coming. Come down. Resources is there. In resources, you have 3 URL: user list, city list, and then product list. If you click on city list, it will give you the list of city like this. Like this, city ID, city name. If you click on user list, it will give the list of users, user ID, username. If you click on product list, it will give the product name, price ID, product name, price ID. So server is running for how many people? They should say yes, no. Important part for your JavaScript. You have to use it further for any interview. Server you have started. Is that running for anyone? Yeah. Here anyone have problem? You have done mistake while writing this line. Can you see there is a space after port number? Stop the CMD and start again. Write exactly this. A space you have not given after port number. Stop again, start. This command we are supposed to run in CMD. Okay, then look like people are not interested to follow me. I'll go ahead. Running. Running or not running? Not running? Say yes or no, no? Okay. So this we have set up the server. This we have set up the server. In that we added some data, right? After that, we have started a backend server. In the backend server, how to start the JSON server? JSON icon server spaces minus minus watch data.json space minus minus port space your port number 1234 anything 4 digit. Anything 4 digit is fine. Then after running this, your port number will be reserved for the JSON server 1234, and on that 1234 port number, it will compile your file, and your this data.json file will become as a database. It will work like as a database now that hold the data completely. Okay. Come. You have written mistake. You have not given a space after port. One by one, come one by one. What is what? Have you installed that? What you installed? Install again here. Delete that, install again that install command.
Commands.
No, I'm asking to install again. We have run a JSON server. How to install here? You run or not that? Assign. What is that? Run this command. See what it says? It says product. Okay, now write that. Nothing. If here, if. You have installed that. Install again. Install again. फिर से install करो. नहीं उसको रहने दो. ये इसमें जाओ CMD में. Go in CMD. Going on. Okay, now run the second command. Second command, starting how to install the JSON server. JSON hyphen server space minus minus watch space data.json space minus minus port 1234. In beginning, why space is coming? Okay, so go here. This is your PowerShell. PowerShell only is and PowerShell here. Go in this and second CMD. Now run that. Go to the CMD folder. Go to that project folder. Open CMD again. Try it again. JSON icon server. No, that will not. We have to type. लिखो मैं बोलता हूँ JSON minus server. Wait. PORT. Enter. JSON minus server is okay. So installation you have done wrong. Okay. JSON. Icon server space minus watch space. Yeah, file name is data. Yes. Hello, no? Spelling was mistake. Okay, so JSON server is installed as well as we have started the server. What's the name? Kritika. You have both, right? No. They are still there. They are going to work to update you. 25th, I think they'll go after this one. Christmas. After that, we consult. We'll make ready, then we'll call you. Before one it should be ready. They will be going after 25th only. After 25th, they'll go. One day it will take to make ready, then confirm. I'll update you, okay? Okay, so now see now your server is running. This is the server, right? So this is the user list is one URL where it's giving the list of users, and then city list is another URL where it is giving the list of city. Then coming back, product list is another URL where it's giving the list of product. Now three URL is ready. These three URL, we have three pages here: user list, city, and then product. When we click on user list, this user will come here. Whichever the user list is coming in this, that will come here. Okay, city, once we click, the list of city will come. Product, once we click, list of product. Okay, but it will come from that server. Which server? JSON server is the backend. So both is now available. One is become as a your JavaScript, this file become as a front end, and the JSON dot item dot JSON is not item dot JSON, data dot JSON is going to work like a backend. But that file you are running through the JSON server, so that it has given in the fake API. This becomes a fake API. Which one? Three API is there now: user list, city list, as well as product list. This becomes a fake API or mock API, you can say. Now you can use this and make it requirement ready. So come to the index2 file, user list. You will create a variable. Create a variable data equal to empty, and now write a fetch function. Inside the fetch function, the URL you will copy from the browser. Write first fetch function. After writing the fetch function, come to your browser, this JSON server URL, and in JSON server URL, this server is running no for everyone. Now you click on user list. Click right. After clicking on user list, URL appear. List of data is coming. Copy this URL. Copy this URL and come to the fetch function. Add inside this one. Right. So your User list becomes the API where you are going to get the data. User list become API where you are going to fetch the data. Now after this, you will use the dot then method, and then after that you can use any variable response, then response.json. Because the data is coming in the form of JSON, after receiving the response, return convert back to the JSON object, and again second then function second then function second then function will say like user array alert user array dot length. Alert user array dot length. Check now, click on button. See, you are getting alert. Hope you got the length. How many? User list. See, 3 or more than that, or nothing. Your JSON server should be running first. Then only this will give you the length. Let me give you this function also in chat. Coming length. Now we can run the map here. They have to run the map function. Write user array dot map. Name of the user, not name of the user, user info, comma index. User info, comma index. You will write here data plus equal to p tag is open plus plus p tag is closed also. You will write here user info dot name, user info dot name Okay, hope ready. Now after the map function, you will write here document dot get element by ID, which ID container dot inner HTML equal to that data variable. Container dot inner HTML equal to data variable. Right? If now click on city list, user list, 3 users should print. Printed. Write a class for this. Class equal to something, my data. We can write some CSS so that it will look better. Okay, got it. Getting the list, user list. No, coming. Now come to the CSS. Write one CSS for this. So what is the flow is your data is stored in this server. From here list of users will come. Capture under the response. Response to JSON will happen. Again from JSON to array will convert. And after that, from array the loop will start. It will create multiple paragraph. All will go to the data variable. Once the loop is finished, this data variable will assign to the container using inner HTML. Now we'll write the CSS for this my data. Come under the CSS file. You can write the width 30%. Display in line blocks. Text line center. Font size 40 px. Color red. Hope you are getting now. Click on city. 3 are coming. Big font size. And we'll follow the same for the next one. Go to the index2.js file. In index.2.js file, we have next called city. What is the function name? Get city. Yes, right here a function. Get city. Same code you can copy paste there. Same code you can copy paste there. Got it? City. Now right here, change the URL called city list. Change the URL called city list. City list. Next, come down below. User array we have written. We can change to city array. We can write below city array dot map. City info. Next, city info dot name. Running. Sit now. But in city, you don't have product property called city. You have a property called city name, right? What we are printing? We are printing only name. Name is not there. It's called a city name. Change to city name. Coming. So user click, user list will come. City click, city list will come. Right? Now same way we have to do for the product also. So let's write another function. Get product. Function get product. Okay, so go to the get product. Again, same code will be here also. URL will change instead of city list, product list. Instead of city list, you will change to product list. Instead of city list, change to product list. And after that, for product, what you have, name and price. So for product, we have change here variable name, product array. Change the product array dot map. Change the product info. Product info dot name or p info you write better instead of product p info. P info dot name. Dot name and price also we need to add. In the same line we can add p info dot price. P info dot price. Then it will print you the list of product. Take now. Product name and price is coming. So undefined is coming, right? P info dot name. What is that? Product list is okay. Here what we have? Oh, P name we have. Sorry, we should write here P name. P name is the name of property. P name. Okay, ready? Save now. So product will display, city will display, user will display. So this data is coming from your JSON server. Everything dynamic. We share you this file, index.js file. Not index, index2. Or hold on, I'll send you complete folder itself. API folder. API folder is sent. Along with that, index2 and data.json file is also sent. You can have a look. The people who are online, why they have not replied anything today? Any specific reason? No one said anything. Yes, no working, not working. Any specific reason? Okay, I have sent you the folder complete. You can follow it. Video will come in evening time. Whenever